Okay, so at open here, we're watching CASA, but I'm not super interested in this one really. It's been pretty choppy, I'd say, kind of trash. So I'm not really feeling this one. It's been taking a while for it to break. Where was it? 550. It took a while to break 550, and then it finally started chopping around in this area. Then it retested for six. I mean, it retested for the 80s or 75 area after it broke, and then it finally did it, but now it's at a slow incline. So I do like the open. The open right now is looking pretty good, but I mean, I'm not super excited about it. So let's see if we get a pullback here for a possible entry. Jesus. Okay, so Katsa is popping back up here. I don't really know where I want to take an entry on it though. I don't happen to see a specific pattern or anything like that. If anything, it'd be a candlestick pattern, but I don't even recognize one. I haven't been studying up on those at all. Okay, I missed that entry. I was fixing my Twitch chat, and oh man, I swear it's the stupid little distractions that cost me here. So was trying to fix my Twitch chat, and then next thing you know, this thing's actually popping all the way back up here from 612 to 630. So that was an obvious entry. I was gonna take that, but I didn't think we had, a couple seconds to the next open on the 1 minute. So that was completely my fault. I guess we'll see what it wants to do here. It didn't break its high. It's still trending in this small range. Draw a trend line here, I guess. It's probably not the right place to put the trend line. We'll readjust it. I guess my chart's glitching, or it's kind of messed up because it's not moving at all. So we're strictly on the level 2 here. I'm not sure why that's doing that. So we gotta go back to CASA. So that was kind of stupid. I mean, I guess. Could have just traded off the level 2, but whatever. So it broke trend, and now this next 1 minute, I can buy the dip and get in. Should have bought that little micro dip there. Let's go ahead and see if we can get another one. Big seller stack though at 33 and 35. Ooh, that's a massive drop for me to be interested right here. It's a good thing I waited until the last couple seconds. I wasn't going to take that if it just tanked on me like the way it is. So false break on the 1 minute. Literally nothing else is hitting the scans. And I don't really know what I want to do in this little range here. Not really sure. Because the 5 minute MACD is coming to a close. Same with the 1 minute. They're both really close to breaking trend. And with nothing else in the scans, I don't even know if I want to trade. Because I'm already not liking this stock just in general. I'm not a huge fan of it. Plus my charts, I guess, are messing up already. Not sure what that was about. Just watching this one pre-market, it was pretty choppy or slow. Too slow for me, I'd say. I'd have to wait for this one to make it like an obvious move here. Because I don't happen to see a pattern either. They were breaking lower. Back to 610 for a second. Open low on the 1 minute. I wouldn't be surprised if this breaks the 5-minute low. I wouldn't even know how to trade it from here. Like the charts is so trash. Could take a 1 minute entry here. I'm gonna buy at 18 there. I guess I got filled at 19. Breaks this last 1 minute low, I'm out for sure. This 19, can we see 20? I'm just gonna stop out. So thought I got filled at 18, actually got filled at 19. I was really hoping that this one would break, but for some reason it's just having such a hard time breaking 19. There's a break, it broke to 820 for a second, now it's back down to 812. Big seller at 820 again. So I think this one's gonna flip on us here. If it can't break 820, I think it's just done, so we might take a short. It's finishing high though, which is what I'm real surprised about. Let's see if we get that quick break at 620. Gonna take an entry here for a short at 613. Needs to break that 5-minute low, or that 1 minute low, I mean. I probably got in way too early. There's 12, 11. Need to break that 10. Once we break 10, then we should be solid for a break of 6. So right now we're just hovering around 13. It's 12. There's 10. There's 8. Can we get the break of 6 though? Is this gonna turn on us? Is it gonna flip already? Can we get 7? There's 7. Get the break of 6. 608, 9. Still needing a little more downwards pressure here. 7. See 6, 5. There's 6. All right, small little micro pullback, I guess. Let's see if we can get the break of 6 though. There's 5, 4, 3, 6. I'm selling there at 6. So, I guess a good sell. I was hoping for the break, but it didn't quite break, so I just decided let me sell the bottom there. So it's 13-cent short position there. And that's all the way back up to where I entered at 613. Held the low, held 6. So I guess a good sell on my end. All the way back up 615. So cool. Now it's back up. Let's see if it can hold it. Not quite. Now it's all the way back down to 6. There's the final break that I was looking for. See, I was looking for a drop like that for a break of 6, but man, that's so annoying. That's really what I was looking for. How easily it broke right there from all the way to 620, is dropped to 6 and then broke like it was nothing. Broke from 6 all the way to 685. The 15-cent move, no problem. No, but I ride it 2-3 candles down. And it took, a good 3 minutes for it to break. It's frustrating, but nothing I can do there. So at this point, I think CASA is kind of done. I'm not really excited for this one, which is why I took the short on it. Found out it was easy to borrow. Realistically, I probably wouldn't have shorted this. Probably would have just left it alone. I would have definitely taken this entry up here for a test of this 620 high break. If it could have broke 620, we could have seen 625 or something. But even then, to the long side, I mean, I'm in at 619, already down 3 cents on commissions. And then if it went to 625 and then stopped around that level, or 628, let's just say, hit 628, I'm in at 619. I mean, it's only a 6-cent move. I'm making profit. So I'm not really making anything there just because of commission. So that's why it's probably way better to take large position size, or I guess hold out for a huge move compared to taking small little scalp trades, unless you're taking huge size. If I'm taking bigger size, like 1,000 shares, that it would probably affect the amount I get back on return, I'm sure, just because of the range of this one being so small. I'd have to take bigger size to make it even effective on the, I guess my P&L. ESSC is popping on the scans. Not interested in VS. I don't know. MDVL. This one's not too bad, but similar to CASA, it's not really moving. SPFM, NSV, Veru. Yeah, so I don't know. I feel I'm kind of done. CASA's just flagging here. I could take shorts on it, so I could get in here for another short position for the break of 575. But right now, I don't even feel like shorting. I don't even want to trade because I'm not trying to swap rolls here and go into the short side. So if I did take my entry there at 83, let's see what would have happened. So I'd be losing on it already. I don't know. This one's a choppy, tricky stock. I'm not really looking to trade this one anymore. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up, I guess. Let's see what we finished. We've got $3 today. We made $3 profit. At least we're not red. We initially started red because of this flop over here. I cut the loss immediately. Sold at 612, got in at 619. So, I stopped out relatively quick. 7-cent loss there, and then we made a big move back. What did I get in at? I actually got in at 615. So perfect 15-cent move here is what I made. Minus commissions. So I don't know, it was a pretty good one. but let's do the short side. I'm trying to go long here. So whatever. Profit's profit, $3. We'll go ahead and wrap it up here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.